So in yesterday's class, what we have discussed about the how our delivery will be distributing to the EWM. Okay, we have already answered for why it is distributed, how it is distributed, and when it is distributed. Okay, and we have seen there will be some linkage between the ERP document types and EWM document types, so that we also checked. Okay, so they are the standard ones. We just need to check it. Okay, so that EL is the delivery type in the ERP end, and item type is ELN. Okay, these two things has to be linked with the this PDI, INB, DLV, IDLV. Okay, we have checked this. Okay, so whatever the EL is there, this is linked with the INB. Okay, they are at the header level, and at the item level, DLV, IDLV is linked with the ELN. Okay, so these things only will going to define our inbound delivery. Okay, so for the outbound delivery it will be different. Okay, so as I said yesterday, we will going to see the different profiles now. Okay, what are the different profiles and all, we're going to check it. And we also discussed about the warehouse process type. Okay, whenever we are maintaining the inbound delivery now, we will going to create the warehouse task. See, just go through the okay, let me create one more inbound delivery, and I can show that. Okay, this is the PO number for me. Okay, I'll take it as a 2. Okay, here I'm going to take some 8 materials. I'm going to take some 8 materials, and I'm going to do the inbound delivery. It is distributed 6, 8, 7. Once I will going to move towards the PRDI screen. Okay, I'll just put this inbound delivery number ready. So the inbound delivery number. Okay, so if you are not getting the inbound delivery number also, that is a no issue. Just execute here. Okay, whatever the inbound delivery numbers are there for your warehouse now, everything will going to come here. See, this is the default. Okay, default values. Okay, if your warehouse is not there over here, I have kept some other warehouse and trying to take my inbound delivery, it will not going to show. First, you have to check what is the default warehouse number and the party entitled to dispose if you have given, or else it is okay. We have only one party entitled to dispose, right? So that is why it is coming. Okay. So you have to put your warehouse number, then only the delivery documents will going to appear to you. Okay. So I will just execute. See, right now, I don't know the delivery number. I just want to see that. Okay. I'll just execute. The last one will be your delivery number. This one, it is created just now. Okay, we have given 4, 5, some zeros. Okay, 1119102 we have given. Okay, see here the status is not yet started. Okay, it is not yet started. And one more delivery also is available with us. Okay, some delivery is there. We'll first check with this one. Okay, what I want to tell you. Okay, as I said, for this we'll be having a header area and the item area. Okay, once I'll going to double click over here, this is appearing for us. So, and this will be in the list view and the form view. Okay, so header also you can see, and the item also you can see. Here, if you go to the inbound delivery follow-on functions and warehouse task, what is this warehouse task? Okay, I have given some example of a home painting. Okay, house painting for this. Okay, you will be having some bedroom, kitchen, hall, and all. You want to paint the home. Okay, so this bedroom, kitchen, hall, it is there. No, it is the warehouse task. Okay, once I will going to complete all these warehouse tasks. Okay, then we will going to combinedly can tell this as a warehouse order. Okay, let us consider in this particular line item, I am bringing some 3 different products. Okay, if I am bringing some 3 different products or 2 different products, then I'll be creating the 3 different warehouse tasks over here. Okay, once I'll going to say warehouse task and create, no, it will going to create 3 different warehouse tasks, because 3 products will be taken care, okay, by individually, or else they might be going through some different resources. We don't know exactly, or might be going through the same resource, but 3 different warehouse tasks will going to generate here. Okay, it will be all 3 different warehouse tasks will be in one warehouse order. We're going to see how it will be going to generate and all. Okay, so but as of now we have created only one line item, and in this line item we have checked once the warehouse task is generating. Okay, once the warehouse task is generating, you should be what is that, maintained your WPT, because warehouse task only can be completed once it is having the source and destination area. Okay, once it is having the source and destination area. Here, if you are going to the item level and checking the what is your WPT, this is determined is 1010. Okay, yesterday what I have done for this WPT, I have determined my WP, means I have given the source bin. Okay, where I have given it, just see the path. Okay, SPRO, IMG, SCM, EWM. In that, go to the cross process settings, warehouse task. Here, this is define warehouse process type. Okay, I need to check this warehouse process type for my particular warehouse. Okay, this is the 1010 is the put away. Double click on this. Here I have given my GR zone and a GR bin. Ajay bhai, in your case, this GR bin is not maintained. Okay, please maintain the bin or create the bin in the LS01 for the GR zone. Then maintain it. Okay, it will going to resolve your issue. Okay, so this is what we have created. Okay, here I have provided the source, and in the go, once I am going to proceed further and say goods receipt here, warehouse task. Okay, sorry, warehouse task here. Here I cannot create it as it is. Okay, if you are saying create, it will throw an error because no destination bin determination is there. Okay, so if you want to create some warehouse task, you have to have the source bin and the destination bin. Then only it will going to create. Okay, if you have not created the or given the destination bin, then also you cannot able to create the what is that, warehouse task. Okay, so this is one thing here, one important thing. Next thing, what we will be checking. Okay, as I said, once I'm going to double click on this, I'll just what we'll do, we'll just take our delivery number and we're going to execute, or else other things will going to disturb us. Okay, this is the delivery which is there for us. Just now we have created for this item delivery item header. Okay, we are getting these many different profiles. Okay, these are the different profiles we're going to set. Okay, whenever we'll be considering these profiles, the profiles are of 2 types. One is the system profile. System profiles are nothing but the SAP standard profiles. Okay, see, this item is there. This is one system profile. Okay, and the status is there. Okay, status. See, this is one system profile. Okay, in the status you can see for archiving whether it is blocked. Okay, completion, what is completed. Okay, goods receipt is done or not, and picking is done or not, put away is done or not. All these things, information will be available. See, if you are just removing this, and we're going to take the earlier one, which is completed. See, this one is completed, right? I'll just take the status for this. See here, the completion is completed, and your planning put away is completed. Your goods history is completed. When it is completed, everything, every data will be available for us. Okay. See, whatever the material will be putting in particular bin, no, that will be taken care by the, means first in first out. How will going to identify? That will be by the GR date and time. Okay, goods receipt, when you have done and all, the first in first out or the last in first out, how we'll going to do the pick logics. Okay, that will be based upon the GR date and time. This is must. This is really important. Okay, GR date and time only will going to tell us when the material came into our organization. Okay, And here put away, it is also completed. Okay, whatever it is completed and when it is completed, everything it is going to show it to us. Okay, 19th it is completed. And you may be observing here the what is that timing is 20, 32, 20, 38. Okay, why the means we are taking in the morning class, but why the 20, 32 it is showing? Means around 8 p.m. it is showing. Why?
Time zone is different.
Yeah, time zone is different for us. Okay, because I have taken some Germany this one. Okay, server. So that is why it is showing like this. Okay, for the non-ECB people, I'm just telling this. Okay, you may be confusing. Okay, this is not time what we have completed yesterday. Like, so this is the time zone difference. Okay, so here the status will going to show us and date and times. Okay, if you want to check the date and times for this, okay, the date and times also available here. See delivery date and time. Okay, what is the delivery date and time? This is the delivery date and time. Like that, they have given some different things. Okay, and next thing we can see some locations and partners. Okay, so the warehouse, where the warehouse is there. Okay, ship to location. Okay, what is the ship to location and which is the warehouse? And partner. Okay, if you're considering the partner, it is giving the ship from party, ship from. Okay, just observe here, ship from. Okay, because I will just show you. Once you will go to the item now. Okay, item, and double click on this. Here also you're going to get different what is that profiles for the item. Okay, so if you go here partner tab, you will not going to see the ship from, you will going to see the supplier. Both are same. Okay, both are same, but here you are getting as a vendor or the supplier, but there you are getting the ship from. Okay, so there are few differences here only. Okay, you need to just go through those things. Okay, and whenever you have created a particular document, no, you will going to come across the reference documents. Okay, reference documents. So these are the different reference documents based upon this inbound delivery only we have created. And ASN I have given the external ID. That is why it is coming up over here. Okay, and whenever you require the based upon which PO I have created, then you have to go to the line item. Okay, line item you have to go, means you want to take the PO. Let us consider. Okay, you don't know the PO number on which PO I have created this inbound delivery and PRDI. Okay, we don't know. So just double click on this line item. Here at the downside, you will going to see the reference documents. Just click on the reference documents. You will going to find your PO number here. Okay, this is the purchase order number which is available over here, and this is the inbound delivery number. Okay, why they have provided the inbound delivery number? Okay, because I am taking the same inbound delivery number, whatever it is creating at the ERPN, the same number will be sending towards the EWM end. Okay, if you don't want the same number, I want the different number, then we can able to make it. Okay, one simple tick mark is there. If you are avoiding it, I'll show you. SPRO IMG SCM EWM, go to the goods receipt process. Okay, here go to the inbound delivery and map, say, define document types for the inbound delivery process. Okay, if you go here and check the INB and PDI, here one number range is there for you. Okay, this number range. Okay, here I have given ERP reference number is the document number I have given here. If I untick this one, okay, then whatever the what is that inbound delivery number which will going to generate at the EWM, it will be different from the ERP end. Okay, but definitely it will going to confuse us. Okay, so that is why what I have taken, whatever the inbound delivery is there in the ERP, that itself will going to act as a inbound delivery notification or the maintaining up of the inbound delivery in the EWM side. So that is why I have taken this. Okay, or else it will be like very tough for us to we can get it. Okay, it is not an issue, because if you go to the PIDI screen, no, here we have some different options also. Okay, based upon the purchase order also you can able to take. Okay, all these things are available, but it is better we will going to have the inbound delivery number which is generated in the ERP. The same inbound delivery number will be showing over here. Okay, so that is what I have maintained here. And in the same path, okay, whatever the path I have came, okay, in the I'll just show the path again. SPRO IMG SCM EWM, extended warehouse management. Within that, goods receipt process. Under that, inbound delivery and define document types for the inbound delivery. Okay, so if you go to the INB PDI and show the details, here these are the different profiles, whatever the see. Here I will show you. I will just take one inbound delivery only. Okay, the completed one. I'll just take this and execute. Okay, here you are getting different profiles. See, item profile is there, items is there. Okay, here just check whether the item profile is there or not. Okay, here field content date. Okay, see the item profile, this is nothing but the some profiles, okay, which is feed control proof and all are there, no? So they are some item profiles only. Okay, we will not going to get the status is there. Okay, next thing is status profile you will going to see. So action profile is there. We're going to check the action profile somewhere else here. Okay, PPF actions. Yeah, PPF actions is available here. And status, okay, we have seen text profile. Okay, here text profile will be there. And field control profile, something like that. We're going to get the different profiles over here. Okay, so whether you want to see, the name will be different, but somehow we're going to get all these profiles. Partner profile is there, date profile, okay, in completion profile, all these things are available over here also. Okay, so these are the different profiles which we will going to see. Okay, so where they have maintained, okay, you are seeing the profiles here, but you want to see where these profiles are maintained. Okay, I am into the header level. Okay, see here, I'm just checking the header level profiles only. Okay, header level profiles only. Okay, so where these profiles are maintained, to check that, what we have to do, just I will go to the path, just see SAP EWM, sorry, SPRO IMG SCM EWM extended warehouse management. Under that, I have to go to the cross process settings. Here, you will going to get the delivery request. Here, these are all the different profiles what we are having. Okay, so let us consider the first profile. Okay, which is the first profile? Let us consider some status profile. I want to check this status profile. Okay, just copy the status profile, or else the action profile you can check, or status profile you can check. Okay, just copy the status profile here. Go to the here we need to check the profiles. No, here status management is there. Okay, in the status management, just go inside. Here you will going to get the define status profile. These are all already available. I'm just showing it to you. Okay, no need to change anything over here. Okay, don't touch these things, please. Okay, don't change anything in your system. If you are changing, then it will not going to work. Okay, these are the standard profiles what they have maintained. I'm just telling you to how we're going to check this. Okay, I'm just pasting this standard profile and executing this. See, this is one standard profile which is available for me. And if you're going to see the status types, these are all the different status types which are available. DAC, DAD. Okay, see, this DAD is inactive for us. Okay, so this will not going to work. And the DBC, DBD. Okay, where we will going to see all these things in the status profile. See, DAC, DBC, DBD. Okay. Here DAD is not there. See, DAD is not coming because it is inactive. Okay, so like that we will going to see the status profile here. I'll just go back, and if you want to check some different profiles, let us consider I want to see the partner. Let us consider partner, whether there I want to see this SFPRT. Okay, SFPRT as a partner role. Okay, whether it is available or not. And here also you check the partner profile. Where is the partner profile? Okay, partner processing is there. Okay, just go here and you will going to see the defined partner profile is one node is there. Okay, just enter in here, and I want to select, okay, what is the partner profile which is maintained in the INB PDI, okay, for our document type. So just okay, not this one. Go to the this particular screen. Here I will going to take the partner profile. Okay, this is my partner profile. Just copy it and come back to this. Okay, so here I need to search my partner profile position. Just paste this, execute. Okay, this is the profile which is there, and just click on the partner roles. Here you have to see SFPRT, which is available for us. Okay, So the same thing you will be seeing it here. The same thing will be not here. Here, okay, SFPRT, you will be seeing it here. Correct, no? And some reference documents, one more profile is there. Okay, some text, HU, transport unit, all the different profiles are available. All those things are maintained at this, but see, these are maintained at this particular end. Where you can able to see, you can see it in the delivery request. Okay, delivery request at the cross process settings. Okay, so here different profiles are maintained. Okay, you may ask me whether we will going to see the profiles for the item. All the profiles, okay, whatever the profiles might be, everything will maintain over here only. Okay, you can see for the item levels also. If I go and check for the item levels, okay, here are the different profiles again. Okay, here also you're going to see the document flow, status, okay, times and the partner, all these things will be there. Okay, you can check the partner because there is SF, sorry, SPFRT, okay, SFPRT, sorry, but here it is vendor. Whether vendor is available or not, we can check it. Okay, same, we have to go to the partner profile only, but before that, here it is a header level. Okay, for the item level, that is the DLV, right? So if you have to check for the item levels, so go to the define item level inbound delivery processing. Okay, here IDLV, PDI, DLV. This is our profile. Okay, just see this. Okay, what is the partner profile? Okay, just copy this partner profile and you can check it over here. The partner processing, go here and check the partner profile. Okay, position and just paste this. Okay, so here you got this, and if you go to the partner roles, you are having the vendor here. Okay, so this is how we will going to give the different profiles here. Okay, if you want to check some different thing also, we can able to check. Okay, in this we will be having some status. Okay, again here also some status is there. Again, see, these are the different profiles which we'll going to see over here also. Okay, so that is what the importance of the profiles is all about. Okay.
See,
yes.
See, one question. With the help of partner profile, we can see the status of detail of that things.
Correct.
Correct.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. In the PO, we can see the history, all the kind of status, what kind of status is there.
Mm-hmm.
That same like here also we can see the status, how which detail like inbound is created or not, or which vendor is coming here. Like that kind of status we can see with the profile partner profile.
Correct. Yes.
Okay.
See, one more thing.
We can modify also, right?
Yes, yes, that is what I'm saying. Okay, if some enhancement is there, let us assume. Okay, enhancement is there here. Okay, in the line item you're going to get. In the line item, you have the some vehicle will going to come here. Vehicle and all we're going to see 1 minute. Okay, not here. Yeah, transportation unit. Okay, let us consider you are checking the transportation unit. Okay, so in this we have not maintained any, but you want to see what is the means truck number, what is the what is that exactly where from where the truck is living, where it is moving. Okay, what are the paths it is covering, all those things if you want to track also, you can able to put it. But the thing is that we have to maintain it. Okay, this is not our work. Okay, ABAP will going to help over here. Okay, they have to fill the details or in the profiles only, and they will going to give it to us. Okay, most of the time enhancements, okay, most of the things, okay, we will not going to cover over here. Okay, only thing is that we're going to do the enhancement in the PPF actions. Okay, this one I'll going to take it at a little late. Okay, what is this PPF actions and all, I'm going to tell you it in the little later stage. Okay, but as of now, just don't consider this. Okay, so but right now, see here, one PPF action is got triggered, that is send ERP delivery message. Whatever the things which are completing over here, that is going to move towards the ERP through this PPF actions only. Okay, if it is triggering, then only your messages will going to move, or else your message is going to stuck in the queue. and we need to resolve that and we need to proceed further. Okay, so what I will do, I will just take my recent one. Okay, recent one is this one. Okay, 687. Copy this and I'll just take this one only. Now nothing had happened with this. Okay, so everything is now started only. Okay, so what we will do, okay, you understood about the profiles? Any doubts in the profiles?
Yes, understood.
Okay, so this is means not at all required, but there are some standard profiles which I have shown to you. Okay, so just yeah.
About inbound delivery, I have one doubt. Like, is there any output determination happen in inbound delivery? Here?
Output determination.
Yeah.
See, we are not sending it to the vendor here right now. Okay, so the whatever the inbound delivery we are taken here. Okay, here I am going to do the goods receipt. Okay, so how it will going to trigger to the ERP, that one I am going to show you. Okay, in the ERP only those things will going to generate. Okay. Yeah, movement type and everything will going to show over there only. For inbound delivery, the what is that? It is just a notification, right? It will be in our system only. Correct, no? Whenever you are doing certain purchase order and all, that time output determination going to take place. Correct? And whatever the output determinations are there, in your case, like in the ERPN, that is what the PPF action over here. Okay. So here, there is no PP action tab right now. Okay. So we cannot able to see it. But okay, I will show you once I'm going to do the goods visit. You can do the goods visit at the initial stage also, because how it will be. I'll just open your see here. Okay, the truck came at this particular end. Okay, here is the door. Once I'm going to do the goods receipt. Okay, I'll just click on this goods receipt button. Okay, where is that? Here, goods receipt button means what? I am unloading the material in the GR zone. Okay, from the truck, I am unloading the material on the GR zone. Okay, that is what the goods receipt. Where see where the goods receipt is happening. Imaginarily, just tell me whether it is happening in the ROD or AFS. Exactly. Okay, it is happening in the ROD storage location only. Once I'm going to complete the goods receipt, whether it will going to update the status in the ERP or not. In the inbound delivery we have created in the ERP side, whether this will going to update its status in the ERP or not.
Yeah, status will get changed.
Correct.
Right?
It should update. It shouldn't show open. Okay, I'll just show that. Okay. Now what I'm showing, see here, I have just now created the inbound delivery. I'll just go for the display. Okay, this is our inbound delivery. Just click enter. If you go to the document flow here, okay, if you go to the document flow here also you can go, or else go to the environment document flow. Here also you can go. Okay, both are same only. Just click on the document flow, and here the status is open. Okay, I have not yet created the goods receipt as of now. Okay, I'll just go back. Just observe here. Okay, what I'm doing for this, I'm going to click the goods receipt. Okay, means I am receiving the material like that. Okay, and one more thing I want to show you, MMBE screen. Okay, /n MMBE. Where what is this MMB? This is for the stock overview. Okay. What is my material? My material is 1100 mat 1. And what is my plant? That is 1100. Okay. Just execute this. Just execute. Okay. Means some materials I have already taken. Okay. So the what is that? In the AFS, some 5 materials are showing. And in the IM level, 100 materials are showing. But whatever the order is there right now, that is all there in the what is that on our stock, that is 195 is available here. Okay, don't get confused about this figure. Okay, 195 order is there at the ROD. Okay, initially I am taking at the ROD only. Okay, so this one it is clear for you. I have created three storage locations. One is just for the IM level, like inventory management activities will be taking place here. Okay. and this ROD is there, no? What means we have determined our goods receiving point, goods receiving point, that is ROD only, like that we have maintained. Okay, where I have maintained, I'll just show this. In the logistic execution, okay, shipping tab. If you go to the basic shipping functionalities, functions, okay, under that shipping and goods receiving point, okay, here goods receiving point determination is there, no? Here, if you check my plant, see, only ROD is the storage location where I am receiving my goods. Got the idea? Okay, here I am determining it. Okay, whatever the goods are coming into my warehouse, that will going to come to the ROD storage location. Okay, imaginarily, but it is at the ERP side. Okay, but whatever the goods I am receiving here also, okay, if you are seeing this diagram, the goods will be receiving at the GR zone. Okay, at the ROD storage location. Got the idea? Okay, no? Any doubts here?
No.
Yeah, in MMB also, if you are checking, on order stock around 195 is there. Okay, how much I am taking now? 8 materials I am taking. Once I'll say goods asset, these within this on order stock, 8 materials should come over here. And what is that? 195 minus 8, around what is that? 187, right? 87. Yeah, 87 might be okay. I'm little weak in maths. Okay, just 87 only. Okay, 187 materials will be there. Okay, which will going to retain in the on order stock. Okay, 8 materials will going to come over here. Okay, so we're going to check that whether it will be updating or not. Okay, we have to check that. What I will do, I'll just go to the PIDI screen. I will just click on the goods sheet. Okay, just see, this is the item. Okay, this is the item. Okay, I am doing the goods receipt for 8 quantities here. 8 quantities it is available. In the PPF actions, nothing is triggered. Nothing is triggered. Okay. I'm just clicking on the goods receipt here. Okay, just see, I'm clicking on the goods receipt. Okay. So inbound delivery got changed. Just check the PPF actions. Okay. One message is sent to the ERP side. Yeah, send ERP delivery messages. Okay, one message already triggered to the ERP side. Means message is triggered means it should be updated here. Okay, I'll just refresh the screen. Just observe, I'll just refresh the screen. Okay, 8 material is coming to the ROD storage location. Okay, and 187 it is remained in the on order stock. Until this, any doubts? Got this idea, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now just observe. Okay, I will check the inbound delivery which is created at the ERP end. Okay, I will just go to the document flow here. Okay, if you check the document flow, it will say complete. This is the status. Okay, sometimes it will not going to come to you. It will be still showing open because you might not maintain some things. Okay, so that is why the status will be open still. Okay, once we're going to complete means definitely if it is showing open, the that will going to struck in the queue. We need to resolve the queue, then only it will going to move to the ERP. Okay, or else it will be stuck in the queue only. Okay, got the idea? See here, I am doing the transactional data. That is why whatever I am changing in the EWM side, it is showing in the ERP and also that is based on the QRFCs. Any doubts here? Any doubts?
No.
Okay. Now I have sent these materials. Okay, but as of now, I don't want to create the GR. I want to reverse it. Okay, how I will going to reverse this GR? Goods receipt, I want to reverse it. Okay, again, if the goods receipt is there, no, means in front of that, you can see one small arrow. Okay, click on this. Okay, here reverse goods receipt is there option. I'll just click on this. Okay, reverse goods receipt. See, it is also triggered. On send some ERP message is triggered over here. Okay, if you come and check over here, okay, PPF actions. some ERP message is sent. Okay, I'll just go and check the MMB. Just a minute. Just a minute.
Hello. Yeah. Sorry.
Okay, so now what is that? We have reversed the goods issue. Okay, we have seen that how we will going to reverse the goods issue. Correct. So this is one thing what we have done, and you can see here in the unrestricted use that material is moved from the ROD back to the on order stock. And if you check the okay, I'll just go back, and again I'm going to click the document flow here. Okay, you can see that it is still open. See here, reversing again it has happened with this particular goods receipt. Okay, this is one goods receipt which is happened with us. There we have seen the reverse. Okay, here we have seen the reverse. Correct. So these are the things which have happened over here. Okay, here we have done the GR, and here you have done the reverse GR. Okay, you can check this. Okay, the document, double click on this. Here is your document number. Just take this document number, go to the MyGo. Okay, go to the MyGo and display document. Material document number is there. Just put this number, click enter. Okay, here you can see 8 materials. Okay, what was earlier action 31, right? 31 means goods receipt, it was done. Okay, it was done, but now we have reversed it. Okay, if you are checking the 32, okay, here see for 31, for this 8 materials, how the material will be coming into our what is that in our warehouse, that is based upon the movement type 101. Okay, see the movement type 101 is the movement type. And if you are reversing the goods receipt, okay, 32. Okay, so what will be the movement type here? Okay, 102. Okay, where we can check it? If we are not going to see it over here, where we can check it? Okay, we can go to the what is that this particular stock also, and right click on the stock and see the material movement. Okay, here some 8 materials earlier we have taken through the material document 31 through the 101 movement type, and 8 materials we have reversed that. Okay, through 1 or 2 movement types, and the material document number is 32. Is this clear for everyone?
Sri, one quick query.
Yeah, please ask me.
See, actually, we are performing reversal in EWM, and that is triggering in ERP.
Yes.
So, in EWM, we have warehouse process task, which is considered as a movement type.
Yes, warehouse process type. Okay.
Yeah, warehouse process type.
Yes.
So, when it is being triggered over there, what is the linkage between that?
Hey, no. Please don't consider like that. Okay, that is just a movement I'm telling. Okay, that is just like a movement type. That is not a movement type. Okay. Means if you want to create some warehouse task, okay, you need to have the source and destination. Just like this. Okay, here also you need to have the source and destination for this, right? So just like that, it is also having the source and destination here. Okay. In the warehouse process type, what we are doing, okay, if the material wants to move from, see, in the warehouse only, where is that? Okay, within the warehouse only, there are so many internal movements will going to take place. See, so the material may move from GR zone to decon. For this also, I'm going to create one more, what is that? Warehouse process type. From decon to VAS also, I can able to create one more warehouse process type. Okay, everywhere I can able to create some new warehouse process type. They are not linked with the 101, 102, something like that. Getting the concept here, because just now.
Yeah, I totally agree with you.
Okay.
If it is
internal movement within warehouse, that would be like a transfer posting, or it could be like a movement from one storage location to another storage location.
Yes, correct.
It is like bin to bin. Yeah, I totally agree with those points. But
Okay.
what I thought is, if the movement type is getting triggered in so there is a linkage between EWM and MM.
Okay.
We have already connected company code, plant, and with the plant storage location, we have connected with WM
Warehouse.
from ERP.
Yes.
And from WM, it is getting connected to EWM for digit storage location.
Correct.
And from there, we have storage type, storage bin. These informations are interlinked.
Correct.
I totally get all these points. But the movement type, how it is getting triggered from EWM to ERP.
Okay.
That I was not very clear. So
yes.
That's why
I will just tell you, see, here what is happening, whatever the what is that goods receipt if I'm doing, okay, that will be triggering through the PPF action, correct?
Right.
This is the output determination. Okay, so as I'm saying, okay, however, we're going to get certain output determination in the ERP, and similar to that, we'll be having the PPF actions. Okay, similar to that, we'll be having the PPF actions in the EWM side. Once this PPF actions is going to trigger, okay, if it is triggering, okay, that means through some QRFCs, your data is moving towards the ERP side. Okay, and whenever the ERP document will going to get update here, okay, whenever the ERP document will going to get update here, then and there only will going to get the movement types. Okay, then and there only will going to get the where is that movement types over here. If it is not updated, there is no movement types. Okay, it is based upon the ERP documents only. Only thing is that from the EWM end, it is triggering the document towards the ERP. That's it.
Okay, so this PPF actions, the output which is getting triggered to ERP. So it is a standard setting which is available.
You can change it whenever, however you want. Okay, that's what I said. We're going to see it in the later stage. Okay. So you got the concept now. This is only the triggering point here. Okay, through this, what will happen in ERP documents will be updating through the ERP documents. Whatever the things you are seeing it, okay, like whatever the actions you are going to take place in the movement types and all, they will going to trigger at the ERP end only. Okay, that is completely depending upon the ERP documents. Because if in this, if 32 is not triggered, okay, 32 material document is not created, means you cannot see the 102 movement type for the reversal of GR, correct? No, sorry, reversal of the GR. So here material documents are generating. Based upon that only we're going to see the movement types. Okay, any doubts here further? Okay, fine then. Now, okay, what we will do, okay, I have reversed the goods receipt here. Okay, we will going to quickly check. See, in the ERP end, we will going to do partial GR also. If like I have created the inbound delivery for 8 materials, that is correct. But vendor said, or else, okay, we received these materials and we are checking in the truck. Okay, we found that some 3 materials are damaged. Okay, we can see that 3 materials are damaged. Okay, I don't want to take the 3 materials. Then how we can do the partial GR? Okay, partial goods receipt, how we can able to do? We have the process codes for this. Okay, to do the partial GR, okay, we'll be having the process codes. Okay, so this is one more question. Okay, might be in the interview they may ask you. Okay, how we'll going to do the partial GR into the EWM, like that. If they are asking, that is based upon the process codes. Okay, what is this process code? See, we are having the different process codes here. Okay, I am just showing the embedded system only. I am showing these things in the embedded system only. Okay, don't confuse between the embedded and decentralized. Okay, decentralized, I'll show it in the later stage. I'll show you very quickly about the decentralized. Okay, don't compare the EWM decentralized and the embedded. This is where you are working right now. Okay, decentralized part, I'll just show you. If you are doing some process codes here, what are the different process codes we have? Okay, we have with quantity adjustment and no quantity adjustment, adjust delivery quantity. But most of the time we're going to take a with quantity adjustment. Within this with quantity adjustment only, we are having the different process codes. Okay, one I001. Okay, this is the delivery difference, and it will going to adjust the document. Okay, I001. And I002 is there. This is the again delivery difference is there, but it will going to adjust the document as well as the quantity. And I004, it is to reject. If you are saying reject, then we need to reject the entire quantity. We cannot partially reject the quantities. Okay, we cannot reject the partial quantities. Okay, and one important thing is that here, whenever I'm going to take I001 and I002, both things will going to work similar in the case of embedded system. Okay, they will going to work similar in the case of embedded system. Okay, keep this in mind, because in the in decentralized it will be different. Okay, so that is why I'm saying these two will going to act or work in a same fashion in the embedded system. Okay, now you can say this or else this, not an issue. I'll just take this. Okay, and how much quantity you want to reduce? See here, you can see 8 quantities, or else I'll just click on the
So is the process codes can be customized?
Yes, you can customize this process codes. Okay, I'll just show you. Okay, I'll just click on the process code here. Okay, within this I'm going with a quantity adjustment. Here I'll just choose the I001. Here 8 quantities you are receiving, but within that, how many quantities are, like, let us consider some 3 quantities, they are damaged. I want to receive only 5. Okay, what you need to do, you just say -3 here. Okay, quantity adjusting is -3, means it should show 5 to me. Okay, I'll just say okay here. It is saying 5 to me. Getting the concept how the process code is changing here. Okay, once I'll going to create this process code and I will save this. Okay, again inbound delivery got changed. Okay, this change has to be triggered in the ERP end as well. Okay, we'll just check. Go back. Okay, here execute this, enter. Okay, still 8 it is showing, but what we have done, we have adjusted the quantity at the ERP end. Okay, we have adjusted the quantity. Once I'll going to do the goods receipt for this 5 quantities, how many goods I should get? Only 5 goods only I should get. Okay, 3 I shouldn't get, right? So where those 3 documents will be available? Okay, I'll just show you. Okay, I'll do the goods receipt over here. Okay, goods receipt is completed. Okay, I'll go and check in the MMBE. Okay, I'll just go back and refresh the screen. Okay, refresh the screen. I am receiving 5 materials here. Okay, so 3 materials. Okay, where they have adjusted, they have adjusted in the on order stock only. Getting the concept? And if I'm going and checking this inbound delivery, just click enter. Okay, it is showing 5 delivery now. Once I'll going to complete the goods receipt, it is showing 5 delivery now. Okay, and sorry. So where again the three materials are got adjusted, they are adjusted in the PO. I'll just open the PO for you. Okay. For this, we can see the purchase order. This is the PO for us. Okay. Where those 3 materials got adjusted, they are adjusted in this particular PO. Okay. Just a minute, it is opening. So got the concept?
Yes.
Okay, if any doubts, please do ask. Okay, it is important here. We can increase the material, we can reduce the material. Process codes is nothing but we can do anything. But if you are rejecting it, you have to reject all the quantity. It will not going to take 1 or 2 quantity. But
okay, sorry
Yes.
to interrupt.
Yes.
Sri, in we have the tolerance, right? We can receive excess. Do we have same such kind of concepts over here?
Yeah, that is what I said. No, in the process codes only, we can able to change the what is that numbers, and you can able to increase that number as well. Okay, I have reduced the number right now, but you can increase that number as well. Okay, it is possible. Okay, here in the process codes, here we have reduced the number. Okay, if you want, you can increase the number also. I'll say you. I'll just create that. Okay, so I'll just take the process code now. I don't know why this PO is not okay. PO is open. See, within the PO, again we have created the only I have created the what is that PO for 5 materials. Okay, if you see the delivery, okay, not delivery. What is that PO? Okay, purchase order history. You can able to see all those things. Okay, we have received earlier. We have received 8 materials, but the reverse GR got happened, and now we have received 5 materials. It is available now. Okay, here, sorry, 5 materials. It is available now. Okay, so this is what the PO status it is showing. Got the idea? And if you go to the what is that status? Okay, where is the status? Delivery address confirmation. Okay, here at the top we will going to get the status. See, we have received 10 materials. Earlier I have done 5 and now I have done 5. So 90 materials still to be delivered. Okay, this is the status of the PO. Okay, so what I will do, I will go and reverse this also. I will go and or else we can change the process codes, right? See, if you want to reject only 3 quantities, how we will going to do it then?
Sri, one question here.
Yes.
Like through inbound delivery, we are doing the PRCDI. Okay. And after that, we are doing the goods system.
Correct.
Okay. And then why we are doing the process code like here, like.
See, yeah, that is what I said. While doing the goods receipt, you found that some materials were damaged in the truck itself. Okay, we have not yet done the goods receipt, but we are seeing, okay, the materials were damaged. We are seeing, I don't want to take those materials like that. I'm telling, I will take only out of it.
Through this inbound also we can reverse and receive and all the activity we can do from this transaction only.
Yeah, here what I am doing, no, I am just doing means I want to take only the good materials only. The remaining materials I will just reject. Where how will we reject it? Because we need to do the partial goods receipt as well, right? Partially we want to take the materials. Okay, whenever we are seeing the damages for the materials, that time we're going to use this process codes. Okay. Or else sometimes your vendor is telling you, sorry, as you have maintained some tolerances, what I have done instead of 5, okay, instead of 5, again I'll show the adjustment of the document and the quantity. Instead of 5, I have sent you 10 materials. Okay, please accept that. Like that, he'll going to tell. I'll say 10.
Always we have to like go with the I002.
No. I001 also. Earlier I had been through the I001, right?
Okay, only this process code we can like 1 and 2 that transaction code.
See,
increase and decrease.
Yeah, this is like, yeah, process codes are helpful for the increase and decreasing up of the quantity. Here I001 and I002 work similarly. Okay, in the embedded. Please do keep this in mind. Okay, so because this is important, because whenever I'll be explaining the decentralized, there it will be changed. Okay, I'll just select this. Okay.
Okay.
Here I'll just write this. No, I will show you. Okay, please don't ask it now, or else you'll get confused.
Saying decentralized system.
Okay.
So how we are going to differentiate I001 and I002 in embedded system?
There is no difference. That is what I'm saying.
If both are same, we can use only one, right? Then
that is correct. But for the decentralized system also they have developed. So just they have brought it over here. Okay. If you are checking in some internet also, you will going to get the same answer for you. Okay. So why? Okay. So here I'm going to give one sentence. Okay. Yes. 1 minute. process. Okay, what is that? In embedded system. So this is one point you should remember. But when we're going to check the decentralized, no, that time we're going to see the difference, how this I00 and I00 is going to work. Okay. Yes.
As per this meaning, I001
Mhm.
and I002. I001 sometimes taking full quantity, and if I001 is already done, then we are adjusting plus quantity, right?
Okay. Bro, this one is working similarly over here. Please just consider this.
Additional quantity.
No, I will tell about this. Okay, the difference will be shown in the decentralized only. I cannot show it over here. That is why. If I show the things, you can understand very clearly. Correct, no? So please be wait. Okay, in the next class only we're going to see this. Okay, so please don't ask the question right now, because this thing I cannot show the difference over here. Okay, if you are checking some blog also, let us consider you are going through some blog here. What is the difference between process codes in embedded system? Okay, some blog is there. I'll just send you for that also. I will send it later, okay, or else it will be wasting our time here. Okay, so I will send that blog also for you. Okay, in the embedded system, how it will be changing, and it will be similar only in the embedded system. It will be similar. Okay, but in decentralized, what is the difference between I001, 2 and reject? We can see that. Okay, here also reject will going to operate same only. Okay, so here now instead of 5, I want to receive 10 materials. Okay, first thing, I have to first reverse this GR. Okay, I have to first reverse this GR. See, again, one more sentence I'm going to put over here. Once GR is completed, we cannot change anything in the inbound delivery. Okay, once we have completed the goods receipt, we cannot change anything in the inbound delivery. Okay, so this is the ender sentence what I'm giving. Once you have completed the goods receipt, that is final. Okay, you cannot change anything. So that is why you just have to reverse this first. Okay, I have reversed this. Okay, again, if you are checking the quantity in the MMB, it is reverse. Okay, 195, it will going to show here. Okay, and it will show you. Okay, if you go with the document flow, it will show again some open quantity and it is reversed. Okay, GR it is reversed here. Okay, go back and the 5 quantities it is available now. Okay, whatever the GR is there, because we have adjusted it now, so that is why it is showing the 5 quantities here. Now the vendor had sent you 10 materials. Okay, instead of 5 he has sent you 10 materials. Okay, and now instead of 5 you have to do the goods receipt for 10. Again go with the process codes. Okay, with quantity.
Here it should show 8, right?
No, we have adjusted it no previously.
Then again we have reversed, right?
I have reversed for how many quantities? 5 quantities only, right? Once I will going to change the process code, it will going to adjust. Okay, in the ERP and also. See, now I will going to say 5 quantity means 10 quantities I am taking plus 5 I am doing it here. Just see, I am doing some 10 quantities here. So 10 it has happened. Now this inbound delivery will be for the 10 materials only. Okay, if you are check, okay, I'll just save this. I will just save this. Okay, if you are saving it, go back and go out of this inbound delivery, come again. It is still showing 5 materials only. Okay, but once you will going to do the goods receipt, then only you will going to see the changes here. Okay, And even in the PIDI, okay, so sorry, MMB, you are on order stock is 95. Now, if I am doing the goods list, how many materials will going to come here?
10.
Exactly. Okay. 10 materials will going to come here. Okay, I'll just do the goods receipt now. Okay, I'm doing the goods receipt for 10 now. Okay, if you go and refresh the screen, we're going to see 10 materials in the what is that at this particular end in the overview. And if you check your what is that inbound delivery in the ERP, okay, go out and come again. You can see 10 materials. It is adjusted now, but it is not the case in decentralized system. That is why, okay, that is why I'm going to show the difference between this I0021 and I0001 in there. Okay, I can show the difference. Okay, if you see the document flow here, you can see the goods it is done for 10 materials instead of 5, because we have adjusted the quantity right now. We have adjusted the quantity here. Okay, so 8 is gone, again 5 is gone. Now 10 materials it is taking. Okay, 10 quantities it is doing the goods receipt. Getting the concept, what is the partial GR and all? Any doubts here?
Yeah.
Okay, for all your questions, whatever about the process codes, I'll send you one what is that blog also. But along with that, whatever the questions you will be having, definitely in the next class it will going to be resolved, because you will going to see the decentralized system where how these process codes will going to adjust. Okay, that one we're going to see it. Okay, in the blog it is clearly said that there is no difference in the I00 and I002 in the embedded system, only in the embedded system. Okay, but in the decentralized, definitely difference is there. I'm going to show you in the next class. Okay, please, okay, until that you just see this one only and try to do some. Okay, please everyone work until this. Okay, today somehow you practice till now. Okay, because we have seen what is that partial GR, how we're going to do the goods receipt. Okay, and we haven't checked the I004. Okay, so it is simple only. If you are just taking and going through the form view, now I want to reject this. Okay, if you want to reject this, first you have to reverse this goods receipt. Okay, reverse this first. Okay, or else you cannot work on any process codes if you are having the goods receipt. Okay, now I am rejecting this 10 quantities. Okay, or else try to reject the 5 quantities here. Okay, try to reject the 5 quantities. I'll take I004 and I'll say -5. Okay, it will throw one message to us. See, action is not executable. 10 items with a quantity adjustment difference to 0. Okay, so whenever you are rejecting some quantities, no, you should reject all 10 quantities. Okay, or else it will not going to reject the what is that, whatever the delivery you have created now. Okay, I'll say reject. I'll say -10. Click enter. Okay, it is rejected. Okay, activity was carried out successfully. If you are means it is 0 now. Okay, if you are save this one, it will be 0 now. There is no inbound delivery. Getting the concept? See, once I'm going to reject, see here, goods receipt is completed, unloading is completed, put away is completed, everything is completed. The whole warehouse activity is completed. If you see the what is that document flow, go back. Okay, and click enter. See, the delivery is adjusted to 0 here. Okay, if you see the document flow also, it is completed, but with the 0 quantity. Got the idea?
So if it is even rejected, it will show it as completed.
Yes, yeah, reject also it will show completed only, right? Because all things are completed with the 0 quantity. Nothing is changed, right?
Okay.
Yeah. Here, once it is the goods receipt is completed and put away is completed. Okay, put away is completed. You cannot change anything in this particular what is that EWM side also. We have to reverse this. Once the put away is completed, there is no option to bring back the materials to the means in the PIDS screen. Okay, so it is completed means it is done. Okay, then if you want to resend the materials back to the vendor, we have to do the reverse process only. Okay, So in the next class, what we'll be doing, we'll be looking at the process codes again, but in the decentralized system. Okay, whoever working in the embedded now, please consider whatever we have discussed today. Okay, because tomorrow whatever we are seeing now, that is not a we are not going, you people are not going to work on that. Okay, because all are working, as per my understanding, all are working in the embedded system only. Okay, nobody is working with the decentralized. So I am just showing you over there. Okay, but it will not be in your case. Okay, so this is what it is all about, the partial GR. And today we have also discussed about the profiles. Okay, some different profiles, how we're going to see where will be the profiles were maintained and all. Okay, so we'll connect tomorrow and we're going to see about the process codes again. Okay.
Sri, one request here.
Yes, yes.
What is the process flow? First we have created the PO, after that the inbound, and after that PLC ADA. That steps we have to write somewhere. Otherwise we cannot.
Yeah, please go through the video and you can write it now. It is really easy for you. Okay, see here, I have already shown you in this. Here I have already shown you. Okay, company is there, vendor is there. Okay, so he is going to company will going to raise the purchase order here, and he will going to send the shipping notification. So we're going to maintain that shipping notification in the real 31L. Once we'll go into the PRDI screen, later on, all the activities will going to take it over here only. Okay, so at the top we're going to go through the what is that, warehouse task. Okay, we're going to generate the warehouse task through the following functions. Then there we're going to get confirmation. Okay, so we'll be doing it again and again and again. So you will going to get this what is that, you will going to, you need not to have the steps also. Okay, you will understand all these concepts. Okay, so better you please go with the steps. Okay, and go through the video once, and then only you can understand. Okay, without going through the video, please, okay, don't practice, because sometimes you'll definitely get confused. Okay, just go through the video. Whenever you are not getting, after going through the video also, if you are still getting the errors, so please do ask me. Okay, we can connect and we can discuss. Okay, yeah, thank you. Then we'll end the class.